EST2 Math Level 1 with Mr. Said Al-Mahdi. In a construction company is laying tiles in a new mall. It was observed that 8 workers can tile 120 square meters in 6 hours. So 120 square meters in 6 hours and 8 workers do it. So this is divided 6 equals 20. 20 divided 8 is divided 4, 5 over 2. And this is 2.5. So 2.5 square meters per worker per hour. Assuming all workers work at the same rate, how many square meters can 10 workers tile in 9 hours? So 2.5 multiplied by 10 workers multiplied by 9 hours. This is equal to 25 times 9, and this is equal to 225. So the answer is C.